Alrighty, so what we can do on this problem is start by dividing every single term by 6. And then once we do this, you'll see why we choose to do this. If you reduce the fractions, 3 goes into 6 twice, so this becomes square root 3 over 2. Bring down the sign 3x. Minus, reduce 3 over 6, you get 1/2. Cosine 3x equals, and then same thing here, this will become square root 3 over 2. So you see why dividing by 6 is helpful, because these are now values that we see on the unit circle, right? So what we're going to try to do is write this as cosine of an angle. I'll bring this down. And we're going to write this as sine of an angle. Bring this down. We have to use the same angle for both spots here. So we have to figure out where is cosine square root 3 over 2 and sine 1/2. All right, so that happens at pi over 6, right? Okay, so now does all of this put together look familiar? It should, because we have a formula, right, that goes sine, cosine, minus, cosine, sine. Things are a little bit flipped around, but this is the difference formula for sine. So we can combine all this together, use the difference formula for sine, which actually says that sine of alpha minus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta, right? So we're combining the expanded version of this down into this. So what this becomes is sine of 3x, which is our alpha, minus pi over 6. Okay, and then it's going to equal square root 3 over 2. And now from here you can solve with just a simple substitution, right? So to finish solving, we can let u equal 3x minus pi over 6. So that would give us sine of u equals square root 3 over 2. And then I'm going to just leave you there to try to finish the problem. Okay?